We introduce one machine each day, and today's pick is the semi-automatic 2-in-1 aerosol crimping and gas filling machine. This machine is designed for 1-inch valves, with a gas filling range of 50 to 450 milliliters. It supports heights between 70 and 330 millimeters, and diameters from 35 to 70 millimeters. The filling speed is around 800 to 1,200 cans per hour, and air consumption is approximately 1 cubic meter per minute. The wide filling range allows it to handle different product specifications. Its speed is suitable for medium-scale production, and it fits well into semi-automatic filling lines. A few key things to check before use. Make sure the machine is installed on stable ground and properly grounded. Set filling parameters accurately according to your product. Ensure the air supply is steady and that sizes fall within the supported range. Routine maintenance is also important. Clean the machine regularly to prevent residue buildup. Inspect worn parts and replace them as needed. Lubricate moving components to keep the operation smooth. That's all for today's machine. See you tomorrow.